Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Unlimited. I'm Vandana from India. Today I'm going to show you how to make soilless microgreens. Microgreens are baby plants which are more than sprouts but less than saplings. They are the powerhouse of nutrients as they are loaded with antioxidants and increase immunity to quite an extent. You can make microgreens with a lot of seeds like radish, methi, coriander, sunflower, chia seeds, lettuce, beets, herbs. There is no end to it. However, I usually make microgreens of whole dals and grains as they are easily available in my kitchen and I don't have to run around to the market to buy them. Microgreens can be grown with and without soil. I prefer soilless as it doesn't contain any mud or dirt and can be consumed as a whole without washing it. So let's start. I have soaked green gram lentil in water as it is readily available in my kitchen. I have soaked the seeds in water for around 8 hours and now I'm transferring them in a sprouts maker that I have at home. If you don't have a sprouts maker, you can still make sprouts from a traditional method of putting the soaked seeds in the cloth, tie a knot and hang it in some handle of the cupboard in the kitchen. Make sure to make the cloth wet, otherwise there would be no sprouting. You can see that the seeds have started sprouting, but still cover it with a lid and keep it in a dark place for optimum sprouting. The sprouts have visibly grown more on day 2. On day 3, the sprouts have grown longer and you can see the tiny leaves coming out today and they will eventually become microgreens. Remove the lid now as the greens have outgrown. I'm spraying some water so that they get enough moisture to grow well. You can start keeping it in indirect sunlight so that the leaves grow and turn greener. They are fully grown on day 5. Just the leaves are still folded. I have plenty of natural light in my dining room, so I prefer to keep the greens on the dining table. You can see the leaves unfolded completely on day 6. I made them during the month of August, which is generally very good to make microgreens as the air contains a lot of moisture and heat as well. Microgreens especially grow well during spring and autumn seasons and in summer seasons of cold climate. If you like my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.